From simple to complex ነው የጀመርነው። From simple to complex. What it means when I say from simple to complex. From scratch ማለቴ ነው። ከአልፋቤት ነው የጀመርነው። From alphabets. From English alphabets, I started teaching from English alphabets in the day one of the 3 months English package. የሶስት ወር የእንግሊዝኛ ፓኬጅን day one ስንጀምር ከአልፋቤት ነው የጀመርነው። We started from alphabets, and on day two we continued learning vowels and consonants. Today we learn day 3 of the 3 months English package, basic greeting and introduction. Basic greeting እና introduction ነው ዛሬ የምንማረው። Greeting is one of the communication skill, how to greet people. You learn today how those native English speakers greet people or greet one another. እንዴት እርስ በራሳቸው greet እንደሚደራረጉ፣ እንዴት introduce እንደሚደራረጉ, how they introduce themselves, how they greet one another. We learn that today. ዛሬ እሱን ነው የምንማረው። This is day 3 of the 3 months English package. Welcome. My name is Teshome. Let's get started. In this today's tutorial, we learn how to greet one another, what greeting words are there, common greeting words, hello, hi, good morning, good evening, and the other rest of greeting words are included. Therefore, we continue learning. Did you know that with the 5 simple phrases, you can start speaking English confidently today? ዛሬ እንግዲህ confidently በልበ ሙሉነት በ5 የእንግሊዝኛ ፍሬዞች ቆንጆ አድርጋችሁ ትማራላችሁ። In the next 15 minutes, you will have knowledge of how native speakers greet people, introduce themselves, and make great first impression. እንግዲህ የመጀመሪያ great impression ማለት የኮሚኒኬሽን ተቀባይነታቸውን እንዴት ጥሩ እንደሚያደርጉ ትማራላችሁ። Let's begin. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's third day of 3 months English package learning journey. Today you will learn how to greet people, introduce yourself, and respond politely in English. እንዴት politely respond እንደምታደርጉ። Respond means when somebody come and say you hello, you have to immediately say hello with warmly and glady face. ደስተኛ በሆነ ፊት በአፋጣኝ መልስ ስትሰጡ ሪስፖንድ ይባላል። ያንን ሪስፖንድ እንዴት እንደምታደርጉ ትማራላችሁ ማለት ነው። ኮመን ግሪቲንግስ በግሪቲንግ ውስጥ ወይም በሰላምታ ልውውጥ ወይም ራስን በማስተዋወቅ ውስጥ ያሉት ቃላቶች the words that are in common greetings are hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. These are common greeting words or phrases in English. Repeat after me. Hello. You have to say hello. Hi. You have to say hi. Good morning. You have to say good morning. Good afternoon. You have to say good afternoon. Good evening. You have to say good evening. You have to repeat this 3 times each to improve these phrases. Now, introduce yourself. My name is Teshome. Nice to meet you. ስሜ ተሾመ ይባላል። እንኳን አገኘኋችሁ ወይም እንኳን አገኘሁ፣ እንኳን አገኘሁሽ ለማለት ነው። Hello, my name is Sarah. If you are a female and your name is Sarah, you say to me, hello, my name is Sarah. Hi, I am Daniel. If I am Daniel, I have to respond to Sarah by saying, "Hi, I am Danny. Nice to meet you." I say, you have to repeat this 3 or more times in order to grasp this communication or introduction WhatsApp. Polite response: when politely responded to greeting or introduction, "How are you?" When somebody comes and they say, "How are you?" "I am fine. Thank you." You say, "I am great. Thank you." You say. Practice this more times. "Hello. How are you?" "I am fine. Thank you." "Good morning." You respond also by saying, "Good morning." Repeat this many times. The complete conversations of greeting and an introduction. "Hello." When somebody comes and they say you, "Hello," you say, "Hi. My name is John. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you." You say also by responding, "Nice to meet you too. How are you?" Respond by saying, "I am fine. Thank you." Practice this many times. You will improve perfectly. ስለዚህ አንድ ሰው ይመጣና ሄሎ ይላል። ሄሎ ማይ ኔም ኢዝ ዳንኤል ናይስ ቱ ሚት ዩ ብሎ ይጠይቃል። ሄሎ ማይ ኔም ኢዝ ዳንኤል ናይስ ቱ ሚት ዩ ሲል ምንድን ነው ብሎ መመለስ ያለበት የተጠየቀው ሰው። ሃው አር ዩ ሲባል አይ አም ፋይን ቴንክ ዩ ነው የሚለው። ናይስ ቱ ሚት ዩ ሲል ደግሞ ምንድን ነው ማለት ያለበት? ናይስ ቱ ሚት ዩ ቱ ነው ማለት ያለበት። ቱ ማለት እኔም አመሰግናለሁ፣ እኔም ስላገኘው ደስ ብሎኛል፣ እኔም ማለት ነው። ቱ ማለት ናይስ ቱ ሚት ዩ ቱ ማለት እኔም ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ አይ ላቭ ዩ ሲል አንድ ሰው ምንድን ነው ተብሎ መመለስ ያለበት? አይ ላቭ ዩ ቱ እኔም እወድሃለሁ። እንኳን አገኘሁ ናይስ ቱ ሚት ዩ ናይስ ቱ ሚት ዩ ቱ ማለት ቱ የሚለው እኔም እንደማለት ነው። ይህንም መረሳት የለበትም። ናይስ ቱ ሚት ዩ ቱ በግሪቲንግ ወይም በሰልፍ ኢንትሮዳክሽን ውስጥ ትምህርተ ጥቅስ አለ። ቃል አጋኖ አለ። ያ ማለት ኤክስክላሜሽን ሄሎ ሲል ሄሎ ከሚለው ይለያል። አንድ ሰው ሄሎ ሲል there is no exclamation mark. When somebody says hello, no exclamation mark. But with exclamation mark, you have to say hello, nice to meet you, nice to meet you too. The voice that created at the end of the speech is formed by the exclamation mark. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. An exclamation mark at the end of the sentence makes a voice like two. Good evening. Good afternoon. How are you? I am fine, thank you. The voice like that is formed by an exclamation mark. There is no such a voice without exclamation mark. ለምሳሌ exclamation mark ከሌለው ምንድን ነው ብያለው? Hello. When you say hello, simply hello. With no exclamation mark, it doesn't give a voice hello የሚለውን አይሰጥም ማለት ነው። Nice to meet you. If there is no an exclamation mark at the end of this phrase or sentence, it is heard like nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. This is the difference. Hello, my name is, you tell your name. Nice to meet you. I am fine, thank you. Nice to meet you too. Repeat this 3 or more times. Oh, you did great job. You can now greet people and introduce yourself in English. Comment your greeting below, subscribe, and join me tomorrow for the day 4.